Hi, my name is Kerry McIntyre and I'm with Inaba Denko America. Today we're going to talk about the DSH-Up. It's a flexible drain line connection. It's designed to go from the unit itself to the main drain line up here. It has clear fittings that you can see inside of to give you a quick access on whether or not you have any kind of buildup of mold or any kind of thing that you might need to take care of. On the back side that you can see right there, because it's already attached, is the stainless steel hose clamp that you'll use to tighten up to attach to the actual unit itself here. Once that's done, you'll put the piece of insulation around it, and then you'll go here and you do the same thing up here on your main drain. It can be copper, it can be PVC, you may or may not need an adapter depending on what size you use. Again, you'll put the hose clamp around it here, stainless steel here, you'll put the insulation on that side, and at that point you've got a completely insulated drain. It saves time and money because there's a lot less parts from here, fittings between here and here. The insulation provided is rigid, flexible, and sturdy. So, if you like this video, follow us on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. If you want more information, you can go to Instagram, LinkedIn, and go to inabadenko-america.com and download the catalog to see the rest of our items. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.